Welcome to Becoming a Pro Coder in Minutes. I am Jai Kishan, and in this short video I am going to guide you through the steps to becoming a professional coder. Are you ready to unlock your coding potential? Let's get started. The journey begins with choosing the right programming language, whether it's Python for versatility, JavaScript for web development, or Java for Android apps. Choose one that aligns with your interests and goals. Next, dive into the basics. Understanding the fundamentals of your chosen language is crucial. Check out the online tutorials, courses, and documentation to get a solid grasp of the essentials. Consistency is key. Dedicate each time to practice, solve coding challenges, build simple programs, and reinforce your knowledge. The more you code, the more confident you become. Now it's time to apply your skills. Start small with personal projects and gradually take on more complex challenges. Showcase your work on platforms like GitHub to demonstrate your expertise. Don't code it alone. Collaborate with fellow coders on projects, engage in online communities, ask questions, and seek feedback. Learning from others accelerates your growth. Stay in the loop. The tech world evolves rapidly. Subscribe to newsletters, follow tech news, and read coding blogs. Being up to date ensures your skills remains relevant. There you have it, the path to becoming a pro coder. Remember, it's a journey that requires dedication, practice, and a hunger for knowledge. Start today and you will be amazed at your progress. If you have any questions or want to share your coding journey, please reach out. Thanks for watching and happy coding.